Welcome to another episode of Pro Street TV. Today we are showing you how to test your camshaft position sensor. This is a common issue that can cause your check engine light to come on and even cause your vehicle to break down. The camshaft sensor is a Hall effect sensor that tells your vehicle's computer what position the engine is in. When this sensor starts to go out, you can have all kinds of problems. Today's test vehicle is a 2006 Infiniti G35 with a VQ35DE engine. This engine is found in many Nissans and they all share the same camshaft sensor. Because this vehicle is a V6, there are two banks of sensors. Make sure you locate the correct one in order to troubleshoot. With the sensor plug facing towards you and the retaining clip on the top, the pins are 1, 2, 3 from left to right. You will be reading the resistance values between pins 1, 3 in many different combinations to determine if you need another sensor. You will measure the resistance between these pins and make sure that every single combination returns a value, meaning none of these pins can return a 0 or null value or a condition. Test pin combinations 1 and 3, 2 and 3, and finally 1 and 2. These combinations on the sensor should read a null or 0 value. If you do not get this condition, chances are the camshaft sensor has gone bad. Replace your sensor to get yourself back on the road. Want more how-to articles and guides? Check out myprostreetonline.com for more information.